de first of all apnan sob ki bishi bhal ra welcome krise ajila session re amila naam do Arpita Das ase or at present ami University State Diamond Director la level de ase aji especially ami sob jane ase ajila session to bishi important ase especially for ladies karne bishi important ase kili bole ajila session to ami han women health limite kotha kuribo aru ki problems ami han face kuri aru etu problems ke kinika ami han maintain kurina jai shukle ba ki ami han use kuribo ki consume kurina ami hala health ke bhal rakhibo etu nimde aji ami han janibo de first of all ami screen women's life cycle ami han maiki hala life cycle se ki problem ami han face kurase etu olop janibo de major life transitions such as pregnancy, motherhood, and menopause can create a physical and emotional stress in women. Amhan maiki hando chutu bachara loigina teenage day aru adult day pregnancy day motherhood day even amihan man itu periods related problem khan junto amela 40 ba 60 age day menopause ahi jay itu han la emotional stress amen bishi ina amela life la circle bishi change hotage faces amen bishi ba problem pai rahi de negative life experience infertility and peritoneal loss property discrimination violence unemployment and isolation also impact on women's mental health and well-being negative life experience to ki ase for example jinike ami han pregnant no hoy maiki han do kunba do bishi ye kushli pregnant na hoy aro kunba pregnancy time de baby pete tha dam de hi bacha do na muri jai ba after birth bacha do 5 months 6 months ba 9 months te muri jai etu ke perinatal loss koi thake property bishi poor khalwa kha na pai ba etu han problems nimte ase even discrimination like bishi iniga dangor jat maiki ko bi ba pola zamana de bishi ba koi thake na dangor jat chutu jat ita bi bishi jaga de na thake dangor jat chutu jat nimte bishi manhan ke ajikali bishi poila rai duhan thaga do ase violence ghor de domestic violence thage ba mota maiki bitor de ba maiki han de jhagra marpit itu han de thage unemployment la problem ase and isolation bishi bag to periods thagi shikole poila times de ita bi bishi iniga jaga de do periods thaga dam de itu na chubi temple de najibi ghor laga itu room pra tate nahebi iniga hala problem thagi itu hala problems than bado bishi women's la mental health and well-being de bishi effect hoi thage next phases of women's life menstruation cycle is a part of woman's body way of preparing itself for a possible pregnancy each month ami hala menstruation cycle do itu ami ange prepare kuri ase future ami han pregnancy time de every month ekta step age jai thakinde women usually have periods between the age of group of 13 to 15 years approx and the body undergoes through many physical and psychological and physical changes during the phases bishi ami hal periods to ami hal bishi chutu age de 13 years pra start especially kobo gele to 9 years pra hi almost start koi thake kunba han to 9 years pra loi gina 50 years tak ami menstruation cycle to thake aro itu middle de problem jiman bi ami la psychological and physical problem limite ami han do menopause la bi problem ahi thake menopause to hoi jay sorry psychological for example periods time jini amela pimples ba skin dullness ba man body de energy feel na kore ba bishi weak feel kore itu thake aro psychological physical do amela mood swings ba bishi stress with thake ba irritation or bishi gusa phat gusa uthi thaga itu han do amange hoi jay recent studies suggest that the age of menarche is often slightly reduced in girls who are subject to emotional stress and so it is the case with the menopause bishi kunba maigando emotional stress thage jidu nimite ami han bishi ba juldi periods ba menstruation start hoi jay aru same juldi age te hi etu do khotom hoi jay menstruation jidu nimite menopause la problem ami hoi thage next common diseases among women. Common disease to আমি আলা মাইকী হান ভিতৰতে কি হৈ থাকে anemia. Anemia to কি আছে বলে একটা red blood cells যোনটো আমি আলা বডিতে কমতি হৈ যায় এটুকে anemia হৈ থাকে. Next thyroid, cardiovascular disease, breast cancer, PCOD, osteoporosis, urinary tract infection, hormonal imbalance হৈ থাকে. Common disease আছে এটো না. আমি আলা supplement, the first supplement especially for women নিমিতে আছে এটো তো vestige hair skin nails এটো তো কি benefits তে কাম কৰি এটো আমি অলপ জানিব. Vestige hair skin and nail capsule is a unique formulation that helps in reducing hair loss. চুলি গিৰি আছে বলে এটো নিমিতে কাম কৰিব. Pigmentation হৈ যায়, reducing the effect of pollution on hair and skin. It helps to promote healthy nails and glowing skin. আমি আনগে healthy nails কে promote করলে কারণে help করে, আমি আলা skin কে glow নিমিতে help করে. It contains green tea extract, borage oil, amino acid, lysine, methionine, pronunciation অলপ mistake হলে sorry. Cystinoids আছে, vitamins আছে, vitamins E আছে, vitamin B6, folic acid and minerals, magnesium, zinc আছে, selenium, biotin, iron আছে. Next, vestige hair, skin and nail benefits to ki আছে. It helps to nourish hair, skin and nail. আমি আনলা skin কে nourish করব, hair কে কোনবালা skin বেশি dry আছে তাইলা skin কে nourish করব, কোনবালা hair বি বেশি কোনবা hair da dry scalp থাকা নিমতে hair বি বেশি dry থাকে তো তাহালা hair কে বি আমি হালা nourish করে, even nails বি কোনবালা বেশি dry থাকে তাহালা nails কে বি nourish করব এটো. It helps in improving the strength and thickness of nail. কোনবা nails তো বেশি লম্বা নহয় বা ফাট ভাঙি যায় বা বেশি পাতলা থাকে এটো nails নিমিতে বি এটো vestige la hair skin nail capsule do বেশি helpful থাকে. Next, it helps to retain skin moisture and prevent skin inflammation. Skin ke moisturize করব, even skin বেশি like কি কব এটোকে wrinkles খান বেশি কমতি age তে আমি আলা skin aging খান আহি যায় এটো খান নিম দেবি এটোকে help করব, এটো aging খান ফাট নহবলি নিমতে. It helps skin damage caused by free radicals. For example, freckles come jiniga face te ahi thake ba bishi ina problem thake kitaba face to bhal thake but bishi freckles nishna ba black spot khan itu khan nishna aro skin ene bahar de kunba women's khan bahar de bi kam kori thake ba itu khan nimte bishi ba skin la care no kore shikle to juldi age te ami damage jundu ahi jay itu damage nimite bi ami ala skin ge itu do bishi bhal kam korbo, help korbo damage no hobole nimite ba jundu damage hoi kina ase itu ke bi helpful korbo, bhal hoi jabo nimite. It helps to delay the sign of aging. Aging ge bishi jundu age ajikal la time de aging to bishi joldi ahi jay. 30 age complete nokra age de aging to ahi jay to idu aging ge bi phat nahi bole nimite bi amhala skin ge itu help kori thake. It helps in promoting hair growth and delays graying of hair. amhala ajikal la time de bishi chemicals pollution itu han ba amhala hair do bishi hair loss hoi thake to itu chuli nagir chuli ke growth nimite bi help korbo aro আজিকালি টাইম দে বাচ্চা খান বি কুবি বা বেশি এজ নোহোৱা আগে দে চুলি তো পাকি যায় তো এটো গ্ৰেইং বি হবলে নিদিব ফাট পাল এটো আৰু যোন মানুহখান যোনটো টাইমিং দেনে গ্ৰেইং হৈ আছে এটো কি বি উটো টাইমিং লাগে দে তো মতলব হবলে নিদিব আৰু বেশি দেৰি ব্ৰা চুলি তো পাকিয়ে এটো আছে. It helps in maintaining the volume of hair. আমি হালা চুলি লাগা volume ke maintain rakhibo. It helps to improve the overall quality of hair, skin and nails. Overall skin laga, hair laga aru nails la jiman bi problem ase itu sob ke ami an help koro nimde bishi bhal kam kore thake hair, skin, nail capsule. Next supplement ase ami ala Shatavari. Shatavari is Argus. Race Moses is known as the Queen of Herbs. Queen of Herbs la naam ra bhi taike jani thake for female health. It has been used for thousands of years as a general female tonic and hormonal balancer. Shatavari has long been used to support women reproductive health by encouraging circulation as well as healthy nerve system and hormonal function. Shatavari is main constituent is steroidal saponins that suggest its use an estrogen regulator. This support is not only for the young woman, but also for women in their middle and elder years to help them gracefully transition through the natural phases of life. Shatavari, Sabi, health is very important for all, but especially for women. Tahan to bishi unique problem la tahan face kuri thake nijor la life te. Iniga reason nijor la life te bishi ina bahar de kam gor laga kam itu han sob maintain kuri gina tahan nijor laga health ki care kurana bole tahan la routine bi biya hoi ja, especially maiki han ke koi ase ladies kan different problem ami han especially face kuri ase jitu nimide especially maiki and mota laga body comparison kurishi gule to maiki hala body to bishi different thage bishi bacha age te ami han do menstruation start hoi jay period start hoi jay itu 9 years pa loina 14 years tak start hoi jay aro same continue thagibo 45 pa 55 age tak itu bishi menopause ahi ja thage itu chhari kina bi pregnancy ase miscarriage ase abortion ase bishi eniga problem ase jitu nimide ladies kan hormones to imbalance hoi thake aro tahala life bi itu hisab problem de alag alag changes bi hoi jay nijor na same itu chhari kina jun laga blood komti ase ba thyroid carbohydrate disease same breast cancer pcod itu hala problem osteoporosis hardi komjor urinary tract infection itu han nimide bi bishi मतलब आम्यान इतु हाला प्रॉब्लम भी फेस पुरा निमिदे आम्यान शतावरी के दो कंज्यूम करले पारे इतु निमिदे बिशी ভাল আছে हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस ते भी इतु दो ভাল काम कर থাকে नेक्स्ट जानिबो active ingredients are beneficial in Shatavari Max has an overall benefit of the female reproductive and hormonal system, helps to regulate menstrual cycle, manage PMS symptoms, elevated menstrual cramps, and helps to control the amount of blood loss, helps with fluid retention and with the uncomfortable bloating periods, before periods. It nourishes the female reproductive system from within the relief menopause symptoms such as vaginal dryness, hot flashes, and insomnia. It also stimulates and balances the production of happy hormones that helps to reduce mood swings, irritability, and menopause induce depression, support healthy levels of breast milk production during lactation, promotes healthy energy level and strength. It also acts an adaptation that helps the body cope with physical and emotional stress, soothing effect to the digestive tract, support the immune system. सभी जिनिका इतुला ingredients any shatavari ashoka and licorice ingredients भी ऐसे जुन दो ladies ला hormonal imbalance face पुरा ताहन भी use करिशी गुले consume करिशी गुले बिशी भाल ऐसे आरो ताहन निजोर लगा इतु reproductive system के भाल राखिवो निमिते भी खाबोले पारे especially जुन ladies conceive करिवो मन ऐसे especially ताहन आरो लोबोले पारे menstruation time दे periods time दे जिनिका pain होई थाके आरो bleeding disorder like kitaba bleeding to bishi hoy ase ba kumti jai ase bleeding tahan nimide bi Shatavari Max to bishi help kore even PCOD laga problem jun face kore ase ajikali bishi bag bachahan or menstruation start with amde itu laga problem bi face kore thake to tahan ge bi itu sob problem nimide Shatavari Max to bishi bhal ase ami han itu ovulation te bi khawal itu jima bi problems ase itu sob nimide ami han la help kore thake Shatavari Max to aro jun ladies kan periods related face kore ase tahan bi diole par for example stomach problem water ration problem aro घुमावले ना पड़े नींद बिशी कमती थाके बा irregular periods बा depression लगा problem face stress है बा कुनबा irritation थाके बा mood swings थाके stress थाके बिशी इथवान सब मानुहा निमदे Shatavari Max तो आमियान बिशी benefit असे I भी जानिबो इतला dosage तो की असे dosage of Vesti Shatavari Max 1 capsule thrice daily or as advised by the physician contraindication. There are no side effects associated with Shatavari use. However, it should be avoided in some instances. those with allergic reaction to the asparagus should not use the herb. It is a member of the asparagus family. Junba allergic ase asparagus pra itu tahan do itu khawle na parwo kili gule itu shatavari devi asparagus family pra hi belong kore ase. Women with high prolactin levels ase jun androgen disorder should also avoid using shatavari as it may promote the production of prolactin. Shatavari can increase kapha, so those with excess kapha should avoid using the herb. Ekta capsule tries din de 3 bar khawale parwa after meal. Aru ami laga personal experience pra koi ase see ami jita vestige join kura agide Wela de amila itu menstruation cramps to bishi thagise de itu nimide ami to kitabi itula problems nimide kun gibi share nokure ina ta thagise bishi pain relief amila thaise jita ami vestige join kurisile first product ami itu hi paise ari itu ki nimide thagise ami iku najine just amila upline bra kushe tumi khabi tumi nimide bhal ase kushe itui kha start thagise after 1.5 months jita par hoise ami menstruation start hua damde ami periods la pain do amila olopi thaga nai itu damde ami bujule para na ai itu kini ga hoise guna itu bishe jiman training stand prestige laga attend kuri thaise to ek din training te ami shatavari max to same training de itu huna damde tita ami janise ami bi vestige la shatavari max consume kuri ase itu nimite amila menstruation periods problem itu pain do khotom hoi na thaise to amila personal experience pra koi ase itu one of the best product ase maiki hala menstruation jiman bi problems ase itu nimite every day consume kuri dige morning and evening. Next ekta supplement ase aru cranberry can be beneficial in itula supplement janiwa amihan vestige cranberry is a unique combination of two powerful ingredients cranberry extract and dimenol aru एक second ha Vestige cranberry is a unique combination of two powerful ingredients, cranberry extract and D-mannose extract. Protein and cranberries with added D-mannose promote maintenance of healthy urinary tract. Cranberry have citric acid which help in maintaining bladder completion. D-mannose inhibits certain kind of bacteria to adhere with the walls of the urinary tract, thus preventing recurrence. D-mannose also act as a prebiotic that helps to promote good bacteria in the digestive system. It has anti-aging properties and also support healthy skin and hair. Cranberry ekta chutu fruits ase junto North America te pai thage tai laga size to chutu ase but benefit to bishi dangor ase amian khalo abra kundu portion na pai thage itu bishi beneficial ase itu de antioxidant bib ase even cranberry ge superfood laga naam rabi itu ge jani thage in anti-inflammatory agent ase organic acid and polyphenolic compound along with high amount of vitamin C and fiber bi ase demons naam laga sugar bi itu te daligina ase jitu benefits to bishi ase urinary tract infection limite bi bishi bhal ase aro urinary bacteria blood cells white blood cells bladder infection like stomach or liver laga problem nimite bi itu cranberry supplement do bishi bhal kam kore ghau khan tumba body de ghau thake hole bi bhal no hoy itu khan ghau khan thakise bule bi cranberries to itu khan nimite bi bishi helpful ase even healthy body healthy rakhibo nimite bi bishi bhal kam kori thake aro cholesterol blood cholesterol bi thakise gole se blockage la problem ami an ahi ja heart blockage la problem bi ahi ja so itu hoise gole to ami an la cranberries heart block itu cholesterol level ke bi itu kumti thake heart blockage no hobole karne bi help kori thake even kunba especially maiki han itu ke consume korishi gole to ami ala skin soft thakibo glow thakibo kunba manu bishi weight ase gole weight loss te bi itu bishi bhal kam kore even ajikal la time te UTI la problem bi bishi face kore se maiki han so tahan bi itu ke consume kore se gole to bishi bhal ase aro kun itu ke khawole parbo jiniga like travel bishi manuan travels kuri thake ba pani bishi komti khai ase ba public toilet bishi use kore ase tahan bi itu ke khawole pare next dosage janibo idula na 1 capsule twice daily with meal morning evening ekta kha damde khawle parbo 7 ki ase idu kun logole parbo idula jinika ami koi dia nishna who should take Vestige cranberry people on constant trouble using public toilet often people with history of UTI la problem jun ase tahan use consume kurle pare travel bishi kura manon consume kurle pare aro public toilet khan jun bishi use kuri thage sabi especially ajikali ene maigian bahar de jun bishi khan kam kore tahan public toilet hi bishi bag use kore jun tu pra infection la problem khan hoi jay to itu han nimide bi tahan itu consume kurle pare people suffering from UTI along with doctor received medicine tahan bi use kore teenager jun college school hosteler ase college school hostel la toilet khan ditu kure ase tahan bi consume kurle pare even women suffering from women suffering from licoria white yellowish discharge people with less water intake kun pani bishi kumti khai thaki tahan bi consume kurise gole bishi bhal ase dola benefits to next causes of iron deficiency in women increased requirement during menstruation pregnancy lactation decreased intake of iron lack of balanced diet poor intake next second decreased intake of iron, lack of balanced diet, poor intake, increased loss of iron in post-operative patient, blood loss during surgery, infection, decreased absorption of iron, dietary factor with tea, coffee, milk, carbonate drinks, patient with kidney problem. No, it was solve the problem with iron and amihala fall problems can hoi thai causes of iron deficiency in women women's bidor it one solve problem to sabule pai thagi tu nimte Vestige folic and iron plus ami ala supplement food supplement to tala benefits to janibo ami han actually the goal of providing iron folic acid supplement is to restore normal levels of iron to replace hemoglobin levels poor dietary intake of iron accelerated increase in requirements of iron example during pregnancy and lactation adolescents females and elderly can be benefit with a supplement of iron and folic acid folic and iron for example jinia maiki han full day ghor laga kam bahar laga kam kuri thake juntu nimite tahala body to bishi tired hui jay weakness ahi jay tahan ami han laga Vestige folic and iron consume kuri ase gule to bishi bhal ase aru same blood level ke maintain kure jitu nimite ami han la blood circulation bhal thakibo metabolism increase hoi jay aru blood circulation bhal thakise koile to ami hala heart bi bhal pra kam kore jitu nimide ami hala heart related problem dur thakibo edu folic and iron do ami hala easily digest hoi ja aro numbness cure kore jinika like ami hala heart thing ki kobo edu like zoom hoi jay na muri jay ko na heart thing to kitaba edu problems thake ase kule bi ami iron folic and iron consume kurishile bhal ase swelling heart thing de swelling hui jay ase kule itu nimdi bi bhal ase aro sen Vestige la folic iron capsule consume kurase kule full day body energy thakibo tired feel na kurubo aro weakness feel na kurubo abi itu de composition ase doses to janibo ami anta Folic and iron can be beneficial. Jinika ami kuishna is an important material that the body needs to produce red blood cells. Red blood cells can produce red and it turn improve hemoglobin levels. Khun bi bishi hole nimide modot kore. Folic acid is needed for healthy cell, especially RBC and women of childbearing age should maintain adequate amount of folic acid through supplement or diet to prevent birth defect. Vitamin C improves the absorption of iron from the stomach. Vitamin B12 helps in maintaining the health of the nerve cells and for the synthesis of RBC. Zinc may help prevent osteoporosis hardy komjor hui thake tahan nimdi bhal ase women during menopause periods khodom hoi ja bishite hardy komjor hoi ja periods like 40 to 50 ba 60 age te periods khodom hoi ja etu bishi juntu problem ami face kore thake etu one problems nimdi bi bishi help kore it also help to strengthen the immune system gi bi hobo nimide help kore thake next dosage to dala 1 or 2 capsule daily aro ekta kotha na iron and folic kunba ami han vestige ba kunba vestige laga calcium khai ase gule to iron and folic or calcium do ikilo de na khabo at least 3 hours laga gap thakibo ba apni han inea kurule pare morning de calcium khai ase gule folic and iron do rati de khabo aru same rati de calcium khai ase gule folic and iron do morning de khabo ikilo de khabole na paribo तो इतु जानिसे आमियान आजिला तीनटा सप्लीमेंट आमियान सॉरी चारटा सप्लीमेंट ला बेनिफिट्स तो नेक्स्ट आमियान जबो सर स्क्रीन सावले पारे से ओके थैंक यू सर
यस दिखाई दिया
नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट आमी हाला আছে ड्यू गार्डन see history of importance of sanitary napkin women have used different methodology to manage menstruation such as strip of cloth cotton bandage etc cloth menstruation pads were introduced around 90 to 70 with their popularity increased in the late 80s and early 90s reason women chose to switch the cloth menstruation pad include comfort saving over time environmental impact and health reason global health statistic study shows 62% of vaginal problem and issue caused by the unsterilized sanitary napkin 62% vaginal problem the amihala unsterilized sanitary napkin pra hoi thake 75% of women experience itching and pain during their menstruation period which is mostly caused by the use of sanitary napkin that is air impermeable 75% माइगे हन तो itching ला problem face करे से menstruation ते इतो pain ला problem feel करे थाइगे किले गुले दो आमी हन market लगा जुन दो sanitary napkin असे इतो दो air breathable ना थाइगे इतो निमिते आमी हन itching ला problem बा pain ला problem हन बिशी बाका आरु बिशी feel करे थाइगे complaints use of chemical bishi chemicals थाने less absorption bishi balra absorb nukra nimde price bishi thaga nimde full of bacteria la hoi thage next prime numbers women using sanitary napkin in India in millions 355 menstruation problem same 42.6% use sanitary napkin 355 menstruation women's love problem they 42.6% use sanitary napkins only source of analyze and plan India survey 2011 it is a survey kurina se 2011 Introducing Dew Garden Sanitary Napkin, antibacterial with graphene ion chip and FIR technology, and Dew Garden Panty Liners, antibacterial with graphene ion chip and FIR technology. See, I mean, ensure proper cleaning, especially I mean, menstruation time, then menstruation period time, then I mean, proper cleaning, I mean, intimate areas, so wipe correctly, বেছি ভাল বা ক্লিন ৰাখিব লাগে ড্ৰাই ৰাখিব লাগে লাইক নৰ্মেলি আমি ড্ৰাই ৰাখিব লাগে আৰু जिमान भी comfortable clothes আছে উটো দাম দে আমান comfortable clothes লাগাব লাগে স্পেশালি menstruation time দে public toilets বা restaurants toilets খান use কৰা দাম দে বেছি careful থাকি না hygiene maintain কৰিব লাগে even আমিয়ান menstruation time দে আমিয়ালা hygiene do বেছি ভাল বা maintain ৰাখিব লাগে especially summer season de amela hygiene during menstruation time de summer season de bi amela hygiene ke bishi bhal ra maintain kuro lage aro amian diet menstruation time de diet bi bishi bhal ra khalwa khan bi bishi bhal khawole lage see next Dew Garden sanitary napkin. It is a hygiene of antibacterial sanitary napkin that has embedded graphene ion strip which help to prevent bacterial multiplication, eliminate odor, reduce menstruation cramp, and promote comfort during menstruation period. Graphene ion chip to ki ase kule itu to graphene ion chip FIR technology itu to bishi powerful revolutionary product ase jun to graphene ion chip technology ba banai kina ase aro sen itu bidorde amian bacteria ke multiplication hobole nidibo menstruation time de especially periods time de bacteria growth wala chances to bishi thake itu hobole nidibo aro sen body odor like smell laga problem thaki na ami hando itu smell la problem debi hobole nidibo sen bishi disease khan ge jonum nokure aro sen jita ami khan Dew Garden sanitary napkin use for the smell la problem aro pet bikhala menstruation cramps iku han bi komdi kurle bishi helpful ase itula 8 layer protection ase 100% top cotton layer ase soft and skin friendly ase protective wings to prevent side leakage antibacterial graphene ion chip with FIR technology 360-degree web air lead paper prevents leakage and super absorbent polymer center for highly absorbent breathable bottom layer ase allows air to circulate non-toxic glue ase itula 8 superior benefits of Dew Garden sanitary napkin janibo super absorbent polymer center see market laga sanitary napkin hisab te ami han laga Dew Garden to super absorbent bishi absorbent kurole garne bishi asle market laga na absorb to kuri thake but itu like bishi like dryness na thake itu to na kile amen maiken ase apne bujiwa ami ki kobole mon jase itu to market la itu to dry to na thake gila type thake ba pani nishna hi thake ha but prestige laga Dew Garden sanitary napkin to itu la absorb to bishi pal ase jiman bi bleeding hoi thake se kulibi itu to amen dry hi feel kuri thake next antibacterial pair with graphene ion chip FIR technology ba banana ase bishi powerful revolutionary ase itu to same 100% cotton top layer ase sebi ami kogole thakalo ajikali market e jiman bi apni sanitary napkin size na ekta debi amian 100% cotton thakado na thake especially plastic thakibo apni sob bi jane ase kile already amian use kurina thake ase ba kunba bi use kurise ola jane ase tu na market la de do cotton to na thake but ami ala prestige laga 100% cotton top layer ase jindu amian use kurise kule do amian menstruation time de jiman bi problem face kuri thake itu nimide cotton top layer thaka do bishi bhal ase itching la problem kobi irritation la problem kobi itu han problems nimide bhal thake help kure bishi bag reduce cramps during periods sabi ami han laga sanitary napkin use kurise gule do periods time debi junto ami han pain hoi thake itu debi kumti kuro nimde cramps ke kumti kuro nimde bishi help kure thake non toxic ase itu breathable bottom layer ase see ami han na bishi bag menstruation time de ami ala problems bishi face koi thake even bimar khan bi ami market laga sanitary napkin use kori thaki sigule to bishi bimar khan bi olai thake de kili gule market la sanitary napkin la niche la top layer de to ki go plastic nishna thake jundu de ami hawa to pass na hoy eta sabi ami sabse intimate area soft part ekta de ina plastic 24 hours 7 days by 8 days nimide lagai na rakhi sigule kiman problem face kore ami na hawa jala to rastai na thake same etu ami ha laga sanitary napkin to breathable ase hawa pass kori thake odor free ase smell ke like jundu menstruation time de smell problem ami face kori itu ke smell no hobole nimide bi ami ke bishi help kori thake even ami ala sanitary napkin complete cycle pack of day and night ase market la apni ekta menstruation la amen duration dita 1 week thake ba 7 days by 8 days thake amen tinta charta sanitary napkin to lagi jay market la pack to but ami hala sanitary napkin do ekta hi apni laga complete cycle ase even complete package ase for day and night din te alag rati te alag khinibo na lagi itu ekta packet te apni din karne aur rati karne bhi pai jay ase bishi bal ase maigian jun ita tak bi vestige khan ase already ata khan itu use kura nai bhabi ase kunba to dam bishi ase ba itu ase but ekbar ami kobo jita apnar itu ki use kurbo apnar nijor buji jabo itu la benefit bishi bal ase jun manu use kurise tahan bi jani ase itla product to kini ase to nijor team debi hobi ba tabe maigi hi maigian ge help kurle paro itu han kothai ge bal ra jani kina pole nimite na aro sen jun ekbar kun use kura nai tahan use kuri sabi itu use kuri shi gule to next time alag sanitary napkin use kurle mon hi na thakibo next how to use Dew Garden sanitary napkin acha itu to ami na khushi gule bi maigian to jane wo kinega use kuro lage to itu ke avoid kuro de ba piche de ene jani ase to maigian to na panty liners bi same ase kina use kuro lage to jane अच्छा डेमो दो ना আমি একটা কোয়া আমি হালা ইউটিউব চ্যানেল না মিলিনার স্পটে অলরেডি তো ডিউ গার্ডেন লাগা স্যানিটারি ন্যাপকিন লা ডেমো দি কিনা আছে তো আপনি হান ইউটিউব তে যাই কিনা মিলিনার স্পট লাগা চ্যানেল তে সাবস্ক্রাইব করিবি আর তাতে বা ডেমো খান চাবলে পারবো আপনি হালা স্যানিটারি ন্যাপকিন লা ডেমো তো তাতে খালি কিনা আছে তো আপনি হান তাতে যাই না চাবলে পারে নেক্সট Dew Garden sanitary napkin same 6 दिन लगा से 4 राती लगा से MRP 290 আছে DP 250 আছে আৰু PV তো 8 আছে next Dew Garden panty liner si panty liner আমি একটা কব না Dew Garden panty liner it keeps you dry and fresh all day Dew Garden panty liners तो normally भी हमें summer season दे use करूँ गले हमें के dry रखिवो सभी sweat ला problem बिशी था क्या हमें ना especially intimate areas दे माइक क्या नहीं तो जाने था ही ना तो Dew Garden panty liner हमें use करें सिले तो if full day हमें के dry and fresh रखे it provides every protection from urine leakage vaginal discharge or unexpected period सभी अभियान किता बा मार्केट जाए से बा बिशी बा बाहर डे काम करे थाइसिला अनएक्सपेक्टेड पीरियड ला प्रॉब्लम भी फेस करे थागे तो इतु अभियान यूज करे से ले तो इतु हम प्रॉब्लम निम देबी help hobo it is also helpful for those last days of for your menstruation period when the discharge has essentially stopped but there is still some spotting that is either brown or pink अभियान menstruation जिता periods खत्म हुई जाए but still सभी 7 days 8 days ला कुनबा तो 4 days बा कुनबा 5 days से periods तो खत्म हो जाए पर इदु पीछे दे भी हमें हन एनी लाइक उलाई जाय शिगले तो किताब बाहर जाय शिगले तो हमें हन অলপ সলপ ইদু periods ला इदु spot ला problem तो face করে থাকে তো ইদু নিমি দেবি ইদুকে panty liner বেশি help করে থাকে same mother of new infants might use panty liners for managing light postnatal flow which they experience for a few weeks of sometimes months after child pregnancy time debi ami han idu say flow la problem thake kunba thaki bole pare enika na to tahan bi idu panty liner use korle pare after childbirth bacha jonam hoa piche debi iduke use korisile flow la problem han to ami han face na korbo problem to help korle karone bishi modot kore thai it is helpful in managing adult in older people are prone to mild or moderate leakage however a strong product may be required old age khan urinary leakage la bhi problem khan bishi face kuri thake adult matlab old age migraine khan bhi bishi bag problem khan face kuri thake to amen old age lady khan ke hubi ba nijor laga जिमान भी ओल्ड एज गोर्डे माइकी हन दे तहान के इदु टिशुले तहान जिमान भी प्रॉब्लम फेस करे जुन तो तहान कोबले ना पड़े बा फील करे होली भी इको कोबले ना पड़े इतु हन के भी आमेन इदु दिशुले दो तहान ला प्रॉब्लम्स दे भी तहान बिशी हेल्पफुल होले थे नेक्स्ट characters of Dew Garden sanitary napkin and Dew Garden panty liners comfortable and 100% cotton top layer as a ultra fine and soft surface layer can keep the skin dry and comfortable. Say air pyramid. The base layer is made of air pyramid materials that allow diffusion of water molecules in the gaseous state of rapidly drive away moist air, thus effectively reducing moisture and heat between the napkin and the sun to maintain a dry, comfortable feeling. For Amiha, ito do 100% cotton top layer se even skin get dry rakhibo ba menstruation time te kubi ba normally I mean after menstruation bishi like spotting la problem khan thake te itu dam de bi use kuri shikule I mean ke comfort feel kuribo itu same dry rakhibo itu was a comfortable feelings rakhibo ami ange na aro complain with hygiene standard prevention of infection khan karne bi ami ande dur rakhibo strict control over the hygiene standard of the raw material of sanitary pad. Next product ase ami ala Dew Garden foaming intimate wash, one of the most favorite product ase ami la full vestige de na. Dew Garden foaming intimate wash. Dew Garden foaming intimate wash is a soap-free and alcohol-free solution with pH of 3.7 plus 0.5, which is ideal for the female intimate area. See, I mean, intimate laga pH balance bishi alag ase like itu amian jane se amian sabun use kule na pare but pani ba ene sapa kore se gulbi itu man bhal ba clean no hoy aru market laga junto intimate wash the udu hisab te jai shiklo da ami hal laga Dew Garden intimate wash to pH balance bishi tak pra maintain kule garne help kuri thage. Even it contains the extract of blueberry essence, sibaktone and chamomile flower essence, which offer a pleasant and soothing fragrance with an odor block protection power. It is safe and suitable for all skin types. See, amian jinia maiki hat bahar de bishi ba kam kore thake ba ghor de bishi ba ghor laga kam itu hala kam te thaga dante amian iman intimate hygiene kene kun ba do bishi busy thake sule iman care kule na pare to those tahan nimide itu intimate wash to bishi bal ase morning and evening itu ra wash kuri shikule iman like busy schedule de itu han normally use kuri shikule da amian karne bishi bal ase aro jiniga khali pani ba wash kurle bi nohoy ar sabun to amian use kurle na pare so amiala intimate wash use kuri shikule bishi comfortable bi feel kore even morning and evening use kuri extract ta laga bishi bal ase blueberry sibaktone itu an ase fragrance bi bhal ase aru itu soft skin nimide dry skin hobi ba like it one soft skin nimide bishi bal ase to aji rahi jun maiki han use nukure ba khali pani hi chulai ase tahan ge ektai kotha gobo ba request kuru apnian sabi jiman nijor la hygiene maintain kuru ba jiman menstruation time de bi like jiman care kuru nijor laga body nimide bi bal ase aru even apni han ba apni ala family han bi safe thaibo kili gule maiki han bi bimar thagise gule do itu pra bacha han hobi ba gor la manu hobi sob manu ge effect hoy bishi bhal prestige pra especially maiki han nimde bishi bhal product banai gina ase di ase ami han ge to ami han consume koribi ami han consume korese ami han use korese gile itla benefits kobole parbo aru ekjon brahi ekjon ge help korle parbo to itu bishi bhal ase ami khali ekta kotha gobo market laga iman intimate wash pra jiman ami sai kina ase itu han sob intimate wash pra prestige laga Dew Garden foaming intimate wash sab pra alag ase ar sab pra benefit bishi bhal di ase comparison apne anbi kitaba kuru mon thagise kulbi kuri kina sabe kili gule itu 100% market la itu ba to ami hala itu sab pra alag ase. Next, Dew Garden foaming intimate wash benefit prevent unpleasant odor smell laga problems ka nimde bhal ase prevent vaginal itching and irritation kunba itching and irritation problem kunba noy sob maiki ani face kore do do itching and irritation la problems they be help to maintain the natural pH balance ami hala oil and natural pH balance ke maintain to jito oil or like pani la balance jo thai itu same intimate area la balance kore protect vaginal flora, maintains vaginal hygiene, prevents vaginal infection, maintains everyday freshness. Especially vestigian khan ke gobo sabi kor pa bahar de ulai na apne jai thake ba kam bishi ba kuri thake ba ajikal la time de maigan kor pa la bi kam bishi kure ba bahar de bi same professional and personal life ke bishi maintain kura jate especially taha nimde bi itu foaming intimate wash to bishi important ase ar intimate wash kile sabi bishi manan iman seriously no lai pani ra hoi jay ba taha नाजना हान सब भी चुलाई थाके इतु हान हैन ताहान गे आपने हान भी यूज करबे आरो सेम ताहान गे भी इतुला बेनिफिट्स तो बुझाइ शिकुले इतु ताहाला हेल्थ निम देबी बिशी पाला सदा एकता माइकी बाही एकता माइकीला हेल्थ तो बिशी कुले पारवा ना tips of maintaining intimate hygiene. Try to avoid wearing tight-fitting synthetic wear undergarments. Menstruation time भी बाइने normally भी tight-fitting undergarments लगा दो comfortable कपड़ा लगा भी इतनी वैसे even it is recommended to wear cotton undergarments लगा भी वैसे wash intimate areas twice daily morning and evening morning evening intimate areas के wash करिबे पारिशिकुले 3 times बा जिमान बार अपने बारे जिमान बार wash करिबे मान बार भाला से rinse well after washing intimate area avoid dust spraying the vaginal with water Pani spray vaginal areas se nakurvi we may think that we are irritating bad odor or menstruation reduce. And then pani spray kurado bhabe se like smell the problem ba menstruation to clean poon if they help, but it is actually fact that we are affecting the vaginal natural pH balance ki amen bishi affect kore. So normally pani wash kore but spray itu hanishna nakurve. Hygiene during menstruation. Change sanitary napkin on a regular basis, at least 2-3 times a day. So we 2-3 times, I mean, especially tahangi ko bole mona se June bahar de kaam kora morning by evening tak 2-3 times possible no hai. But ekta kotha itu ase at least I mean bahar de 8 hours ba 10 hours laga job kuri ase ba kaam kuri thake ba iman diri I mean bahar de thake gushil to 10 hours bidore at least 2 bar to change kuribi sanitary napkin na. Wash intimate areas more frequently if required. Jiman pari ase intimate areas ki iman wash kushile do adhan nimde bhal ase. Dew Garden forming intimate wash laga MRP ase 210, GP ase 180, PB ase 6. Thank you. Idu thaise ajila women health. I hope I mean jiman tak parise apnan ki bujabole parise ba kunba manu aru bi janubole mon ase gule do any millionaires korla group ase ba nijor upline thangi to hangi bi khutibule pare aru ame han laga aru bi liga session bishi ai thaibo itu time de ame han aru bi aste ba jane thaibo. So thank you aji ami ge huna nimde ar apni han itu session ke join kora nimde apnan sab ke thanks kaise. Thank you. Wish you well.